Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator drain tube. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new refrigerator drain tube. The refrigerator drain tube allows the water from the defrost cycle to drain into the drip pan. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to get to the part, we have to go to the back of the refrigerator. Now that we're around back, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the access panel on. Once you have all the screws out, you can lift the panel off and set it aside. Now that we have the panel off, we have access to the refrigerator drain tubes. On our model, there's actually two of them, one on each side of the evaporator coil. Some models might only have one. They're both the same part number and they're changed out the same way. So all we have to do is reach in and pull it down off the tube on the refrigerator. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the refrigerator. Here's the old refrigerator drain tube next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned the drain tube and they changed this upper assembly a little bit. And we noticed the rubber tube was a little bit longer than the old one. So we're gonna trim off the new tube so it matches the old one. It's just soft plastic, so you can just cut it with a scissors. Once you have it trimmed to length, we can put the drain tube itself into this little valve body. Once you have it pushed all the way in, you can put the new refrigerator drain tube into the refrigerator. To put the new drain tube in, we're just going to set it into the fitting on the drip tray. And once you have it in on the base, we can flex a little bit and push it up onto the fitting. Once you have it in place, we can put the access panel back on. Remember, anytime you have the panel off, you want to make sure you clean everything up in here to make it run as efficiently as possible. You just want to be careful over by the compressor. You don't want to damage any of those small copper lines. To put the access panel back on, we're just going to set it onto the little mounting tabs. Once you have it in place, you can lift it up, and then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the access panel on, we can plug the refrigerator back in and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.